Hello and welcome. In this video we will be playing the scales and arpeggios in the initial grade of ABRSM Piano. This video is created by ACube Piano Studio, where we share the joy of music and playing the piano through learning to read, write and play music. At ACube Piano Studio you'll find piano tutorials and piano video lessons to help you get started playing the piano, and go beyond. Here are the scales in the ABRSM initial grade for piano. The tempo for scales and contrary motion is 54 crotchet beats per minute. Each note in the scale is to be played as a quaver. Here's the metronome beat for 54 crotchet beats per minute. C major scale. D harmonic minor scale. Contrary motion in C major with a range of a fifth. Next we are playing arpeggios. The suggested tempo for arpeggios is 52 crotchet beats in a minute. Also, each note is played as a quaver. Here's the metronome beat for 52 crotchets in a minute. C major arpeggios. D minor arpeggios.